Taiwan's Centers for Disease Control is cautioning people about traveling to countries that have been affected by COVID-19. In today's Taiwan Explained, I'm going to talk to you about those travel advisories.
All right, 60 seconds. Are you ready?
I am.
Go.
All right. First of all, if you've seen travel advisories with different colors, those are the Foreign Ministries system, which warns about everything from health issues to political unrest. Now, the CDC advisories are related specifically to diseases, and they use numbers, not colors. Let's have a look at the advisories for COVID-19. Now, level 1, watch out and respect local prevention measures. Level 2, stay alert and take precautions when traveling. And level 3 is a warning to avoid non-essential travel. Now, in the past week, Taiwan raised advisories to level 2 for several countries. In Japan, confirmed cases surpassed 100, including numerous cases of community infection. Iran saw cases surging past 100. It now has more fatalities than any other country outside of China. And Italy saw a spike in cases, becoming the hardest hit country in Europe. And South Korea has also been raised to a level 3 with the number of cases second only to China.
Good job.
Thank you.
So I think there are also some quarantine measures for people returning from those countries. So can you tell us about that?
That's right. So if you've come back from a country that is a level 1 or level 2 travel advisory country, then you need to monitor your own health for 14 days. And that includes things like wearing a mask, avoiding public areas, frequent hand washing. I mean, that's something that a lot of us should do.
And taking your temperature too.
But they also have to take their temperature
Right.
twice a day. And if you notice anything or you have a problem, a health problem, then you should contact 1922. Now, it gets tricky when it comes to the 4 places that are level 3 warning spots. And again, that's China, Hong Kong, Macau, and South Korea as of the recording of this program. If you've been in South Korea over the last 14 days, when you come to Taiwan, then you need to go into quarantine for 14 days. Self-quarantine at home, and there are very specific rules about that.
Oh.
Yeah. So the tricky part is if you've been to China or Hong Kong or Macau in the last 14 days. Now, if you're a Taiwan citizen, you have a Taiwan passport, you come to Taiwan, you have to go into quarantine for 14 days.
In your own home or somewhere else?
It's also in your own
Okay.
home, unless you've been evacuated. That's a different story. If you are not a Taiwan citizen, then chances are very good that you will be barred from entry, like outright barred from entry, if you've been in China, Hong Kong, or Macau for the past 14 days.
So you can't go.
That's right.
And come back. You can't come back
I
if you go.
cannot do
All right.
that. Now, you need to check out the specific rules for people who are in transit. That may vary, and there could be changes. Also, if you're you have a Chinese passport, chances are very good you're barred from entering Taiwan, like
At all?
altogether, regardless of whether or not you've been in China, Hong Kong, or Macau for the last
Wow.
14 days. So there are a lot of rules, very specific rules. I would recommend people have a look, and we'll have some links for you below.
All right. Well, thank you, Andrew. That is our Taiwan Explained for the week.